Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to be talking about a free app that will help you monitor your internet speed on your MacBook. So whether if you are uploading your files or if you are downloading them, you can easily monitor them on your Mac's menu bar. So let's begin the video.
So in order to monitor or view the internet usage on your MacBook, you are going to download a free app. You are going to open the Apple App Store and you are going to search for the app Bandwith Plus. I will put this app link in the video description just below the like button. This app is completely free and I am using it for around 6 months and it is doing its job pretty good. So once you have downloaded and installed the app, you can either click on open, or the simplest way is to click on command space open spotlight, and here just type bandwidth and open the Bandwidth Plus app. Once the app is launched, you're going to have this upload and download icon on the menu bar. If you click on it, it's going to show different details. If it is your first time installing this app, then you're going to have these values as 0, but as you're going to use it, these values are going to change. So in simplest terms, 598 means that this is the amount of that data I have downloaded today. This is the amount of data in MBs that I have uploaded, and this is the total amount. If you go to settings and go to preferences, you can change different settings as well. So from here you got these different options. First of all, I recommend that you enable this option automatically start at login. The other things are these options, so let me just move it right below the speed icon so you can better understand the terms. So here you're going to have two options. Here you can select download and upload, meaning that you're going to have two arrows shown at the top. You can either only see downloads or uploads, but I recommend the dual side option. However, these three options tell you that how much data that you have consumed today. It's not going to show you your actual internet speed. So for this, you're going to focus mainly on these right icons. Again, the speed in bits per second, bytes per second, and you're going to see that these values are repeated, but you have to look closely on the top menu icon. You can see that now it's only showing one value which is being downloaded. However, if I go and click on the last value, you're going to have individual speeds both for the download and the upload speed. So it's going to have much better readability for the user. However, if you want to consume less space on the menu bar, you can just simply click on the second option, but I highly recommend the last option. So currently you can see that around 760 kbs of data is being used, mainly because I have been playing this YouTube video at the background. So let me upload a video as well or any other file, and you're going to see an increase in the upload speed as well. And now you can see that around 1.6 MB of internet speed is being used and 4.6 MB of upload internet speed is being used. So in this way you can easily monitor your internet speed using this free yet reliable app.
If you guys like this video, like, share, subscribe. If you have any other questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you are interested in other Mac softwares, the videos will appear right here. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.